Ginkoronahan bilang Miss Cosmo 2025 first runner-up ang Tiglawas ng Pilipinas nga si Chelsea Fernandez. Magluwas amo nga titulo, nakuha man sang Filipina Beauty Queen ang Best in Gown kag People's Choice Award nga nagpakita sang suporta kag pagdayaw sang madamo nga fans kag pageant observers. Samtang ginkoronahan naman bilang ikadua na nga Miss Cosmo si Yulina Lensquist sa United States of America. Ginpatigayon ang coronation night sa Vietnam kag yari pamatian ang sabat sang Tiglawas ng Pilipinas sa interview round.
If you could change one mindset about women that still limits progress today, what would it be?
60 seconds for you starts now.
It would be women are not leaders. That is not true. We women, we have that innate value of leadership. However, sometimes we are not given opportunities and spaces and chances. And as Miss Cosmo, who ignites change, I would like to empower every woman to immerse yourselves in activities that can enrich your skills. And in order for us to move forward, because we women, we can stand in our own, and women can also have it all. Good evening, and Xin Chào Vietnam!
Nabatian ang sabat sang Tiglawas ng Pilipinas nga si Chelsea Fernandez.